Case name Babu, age is 25 years and today date is 3rd November 2025. Babu, I want speech sample. Why you came here?
So my voice is like a female voice in the phone, and also talking in someone seats voice intensity is low.
Post therapy video of Babu, and today date is 10th of November 2025. Babu, I want speech sample after the voice therapy. Why you came here and how do you feel now?
So before coming here, my voice was very low. So everyone feeling is a girl who is talking hello in the phone. Everyone are telling hello ma'am, like that. Now it's a voice like male voice.
Have you compared your voice sample first day and today? What difference you observed?
In the first day, before coming to the treatment, my voice like female voice. Now it's a male, like.
Okay, great. And what is your mother tongue?
Kannada.
So tell in Kannada what was the problem and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಥೆರಪಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಂದು ವಾಯ್ಸು ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಲೋ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋರು. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ, ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿ ಈ ಥರ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಇದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋರು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಆ ಥರ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, thank you so much. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. And can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks for the permission.
Thank you.